Hi, welcome to another one of our YouTube videos. We've found a kitchen from IKEA. Some bits have been very positive, some bits a little bit not as they should be. But this is a positive video, and this is about sink taps and waste we've fitted. So this sink is sort of stone, and it's called HAVSEN. Yeah, really top quality. Can't stress that enough. Lovely sink, really big. So 40 centimeters there. You can, and 47 inside width and length. So a really good sink, easy to fit. In the fitting instructions, it says to turn this upside down on the worktop. Obviously, level it up so you know where your marks are, and then draw around it and then do a line 10mm in. I'd go 15mm in with this sink, just to give you a little bit more, when cutting it out. And then moving on, we had IKEA waste called LILLVIKEN, I think it is, LILLVIKEN. Okay.
Probably, yeah.
The thing I liked about this waste is it's not conventional to the things we are. It's easy to fit, all just push fits, things swivel so it's not awkward, but it's adjustable there, goes up and down. Depending on how you fit your waste and what you've got to play with, you can just cut this off and plumb a dishwasher or washing machine into it, so you can do that, but that needs to be swung away from your sink and enough space. You'd struggle possibly with this because that's adjustable there and that pulls out. Everything pulls out up and down, so it's really good. U-trap is already built in, which is good, and basically it's just push and fit. We just put a bit of sealant there just to make sure it doesn't come out. We've put that into 40mm white waste pipe if you have to do it our way, or it might just push into something you've got on the floor. The thing I like about this is this thing here. It just twists, so if you've got a blockage you can clear it real easy. It's really neat. Okay. That's a good feature. When you buy your sink, it just comes with that, and that pushes in. It's got a ball bearing and it pushes. I haven't even used this yet, so it pushes in and out.
Seems quite good quality.
IKEA sell these caps basically. That's got a magnet in there and it fits on, so you can leave it in, take it out.
That's whatever. The first time you've used it, though, so.
It's alright, it's good quality, it looks nice. It's got drainage at the back, overflow drainage in case it floods. So waste 10 out of 10 definitely, really good quality, no problems at all. Sink, good quality, 10 out of 10. If you're thinking of one of them, it's sort of an off-white, but it's nice. Then we went for recommended taps. I think they call it monoblanc, where they've got two very small pipes coming up to them inside. Again, supplied with all the fittings here to there. Hot is marked up for you so you don't confuse it. Hot is always on the left. I'm saying that, but our pipes are different configurations somebody's done before, so ours is showing on the right, but conventionally it would be on the left. You can see there, left there. Features this tap, really good, easy to fit. You need to cut a hole 32 to 35mm to put the tap in. One feature of it, it swings, which is really neat. So you can move it around your sink to wash your bits up. Turn it on. At the moment that's in the middle, that's just lukewarm. And obviously you've got your hot and your cold. So I'd say it's one of the better quality sinks and plumbing parts I've seen in a few years. Everything is well designed.
A lot of the stuff came in the box, didn't it, as well?
Yeah, well, everything came in the box.
It's got, on the end of the tap as a
little push thing there.
Little bit, yeah.
Well, you fit in your taps. There's these monoblanc ones. There's a bar that you screw in your flathead screwdriver, and then you pop it in the hole. This tool they supply with it, it's quite good quality. I've got a professional one, but This came with it, so we just used this to see how it went. That was it. Tightened it up, real tight, nice grip. Looks like a screwdriver if you think about it. Really
it's
good
thick
quality.
plastic as well. That.
Yeah, it's good quality. Waste pipe comes with a clip if you want to clip it. Depending how long your waist is, ours is quite short, but if it's long, you clip it to keep it nice and straight. I can't really say any more than that. That cap there that I was talking about with the magnet on, that's supposed to catch you.
I think that piece there just goes over it just to tidy it up a bit. It just comes on and off.
That's called LILLVIKEN again. Code 18730. It's quite important. Yeah.
Okay, so if you need another
so
one,
that's quite nice. It's just got a magnet on it.
Oh, well, it's magnetised. It's quite good.
Yeah.
It just sits on there just to tidy it up while the water goes down the sides.
Yeah. Thing I like that as well is that it's a nice big waist and it's really huge under there. You won't have any problems getting rid of anything down there. So just to recap, YTTRAN tap, I think it was about 50 quid. HAVSEN sink ceramic, that was £100. Can't remember how much that was. I think it was £15. It wasn't a fortune, I know, for what you got for it, something like that. So